Hey you guys, so I'm gonna be doing a clean with me, but I wanted to share a little bit that I've been doing lately. It makes your home smell amazing, okay? I told you guys I've been raving about this pine saw lavender. Oh, it makes your home, you just need some hot water and a little bit of this, it'll make it smell amazing. But what I've been doing, if you love the scent of fresh, clean laundry, and just that fresh, clean smell, this is actually fabric softener. So I've been adding just a little bit of fabric softener. This is the German brand, Lenore is their fabric softener with the pine saw with some hot water. When I tell you, your home, oh, it smells so good. What I'm gonna do is try to wipe down the walls around the toilet area. I'm gonna get the shower and the tub scrubbed down, pull everything out and get around the ledge of the bathroom. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Here I just wanted to go through and wipe down places I don't necessarily wipe on a daily basis or even a weekly basis. So wiping down the walls, getting all of trim, especially around the tub and all that good stuff. So that was my main goal for this super deep cleaning. To wipe around the perimeter of the tub, and I'm just gonna make my way through the bathroom. I have 2 little boys, so I definitely need to hand wash and disinfect around the toilet. So many times I went over that spot. If you know, give me a thumbs up if you know what I mean by having little boys and having to wipe and disinfect. I know when I return back to the States, I'm going to miss these large windows that's able to open. It makes it so easy to clean. I am just one of my favorite things about being here in Europe. Here's a fun fact. There is no central air here in Europe. Well, in and not a lot of places. Definitely not here in our home. We do not have central air, so I think that's one reason why the windows may open that wide. Here I'm just sharing a fun little tip with you with toothpaste. It actually helps shine and polish your stainless steel. That is the one I just cleaned, and look. This is the one that's not cleaned yet. See all that crud, all of that? So the toothpaste helps it. You see even right there? Look at how shiny it is. Look at how shiny it is. You can definitely see the difference in the two. Believe it or not, there was quite a bit of dust under that little stand there, and my daughter had just came and cleaned the bathroom, but she definitely did not remove that and get all the dust out. So I'm glad I was able to go back over it, remove the dust and dirt from under the sink and under that little basket. Here in Germany, the water is really hard. I believe it has a lot of calcium and minerals, so it has a lot of water buildup here on the shower. I did my best to remove most of it. All of it did not come out, but I did remove most of it. Believe it or not, scrubbing and cleaning your shower head do make a difference in the way the water comes out. So maybe you have a lot of water buildup or mineral buildup as well. So if you scrub it, it will make a difference. A few hours later, I finally got the bathroom cleaned. Now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I'm going to put all the groceries up and clean the refrigerator and deep clean in here. And oh, how we love our laundry. So as you see, we had a couple piles of laundry to put up. So that's what we did. And I believe we're almost finished with this day's work of house cleaning. We did accomplish a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed rocking out with us on this beautiful video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you here. And until the next time, bye for now.